Okay, so today we're going to fly from Allentown Airport to Reading, and we already have our expected route, so let me go ahead and start putting that in the flight plan.
Runway 13, runway condition code 555. Advise on initial contact. You have India.
We have India.
Lehigh Valley International Airport, information India, 1451 Zulu, wind variable at 3, visibility 6, mist, ceiling, 600 overcast, temperature 18, dew point 16, altimeter 3021, pilot's approach to runway 24 in use, approaches to multiple runways in use, runway 24 and runway 13, runway condition code 555, advise on initial contact, you have India.
Alright, we have India, so let's go ahead and get our
Lehigh Valley International
Allentown clearance, Diamond 908 Delta Sierra.
Diamond 908 Delta Sierra, Allentown clearance.
Diamond 908 Delta Sierra, I'd like to open my flight plan.
Diamond 8 Delta Sierra, cleared to Reading Airport as filed, maintain 3000, expect 4000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 124.45, squawk 4233.
Okay, cleared to Reading as filed, climb 3000, expect 4000 10 minutes later, departure frequency 124.45 and squawk 4233 for 908 Delta Sierra, and we have information India.
Diamond 8 Delta Sierra, read back correct.
Alright, let's go ahead and program that. First thing is a squawk, code 4233. Okay, and then that's already in here, and then we don't need the weather anymore, so we're going to replace that with 124.45. And he set the climb to 3000. We'll expect 4,000 10 minutes later. We'll have to remember the time when we take off. Okay, so we've got our flight plan loaded. East Texas Victor 39 and Reading. And let's just make sure that our map here on ForeFlight is also updated with that. It is not, so let's go load it up. So easy way to load that up is just to click on that, and now it's there. I don't need this in view, and I need IFR load charts in view, so just know what we're doing. Okay, I think we're ready to taxi, so let's go ahead and ask for taxi and go to COM 1. We'll load up the plates so that we can see where we're going. Let's clear up this here. Alright, we're at hangar 10. Turn this on. Allentown ground, Diamond 908 Delta Sierra.
Diamond 908 Delta Sierra, Allentown ground.
Diamond 908 Delta Sierra is at hangar 10 with information India ready to taxi.
Diamond 8 Delta Sierra, runway 24, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 13.
Alright, cross runway 13 on Alpha to runway 24, 908 Delta Sierra. Alright, let's go ahead and move.
Ground Legion 889, just give me an advisory, pushing back, gate 8, India.
Legion 889, Allentown ground, roger, push back your discretion, advisor ready to taxi.
Call you back.
Calendar 696, Kilo Tango, Allentown clearance, clear to Morristown Airport via Stillwater VOR, Sierra Tango Whiskey direct. Maintain 3000, expect 5000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 124.45, squawk 4251.
Approaching runway 13,
Forgot to turn
31.
our taxi lights on.
Entered runway 13, 31.
Challenger 6 Kilo Tango, read that correct. Challenger 6 Kilo Tango, B radar vector Stillwater.
Alright, engine page. Pump on. Good. Alright, let's go ahead and ask tower. Allentown Tower, Diamond 908 Delta Sierra, holding short Alpha for runway 24, ready for takeoff.
Diamond Star 908 Delta Sierra Allentown Tower, fly runway heading, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 24, fly runway heading, 908 Delta Sierra.
Approaching runway 24.
Alright, fuel pump on.
Entered runway 24, 7,500 feet remaining.
021, I don't know if that was to me, but... Alright, we'll center that heading bug. And full power. Okay, everything is in the green. Turn the pitot heat on, airspeed's alive, oil pressure and temperature are good. There's rotation speed. And heading mode. The autopilot on. Steps up. Fuel pump off. Flight level change. And we'll climb at 78 knots is good.
Diamond Star 8 Delta Sierra, turn right heading 280.
280, 908 Delta Sierra. Seemed a little bit of urgency to that sound, to that voice.
Diamond Star 8 Delta Sierra, contact departure.
Contact departure, 908 Delta Sierra. Allentown departure, Diamond 908 Delta Sierra, 2,100, climbing 3,000.
Diamond 908 Delta Sierra, Allentown departure, radar contact. Diamond 8 Delta Sierra, climb and maintain 4,000.
Alright, climb and maintain 4,000, 908 Delta Sierra.
Number 8 Delta Sierra, maintain 3,000.
Maintain 3,000, 908 Delta Sierra. Alright, we're going to switch to next red because we want to see the weather.
approach Navajo 411 kilo.
Navajo 16 kilo approach.
6 for range.
Number 16 kilo, affirmative. Actually, climb and maintain 5,000 for now.
Got a 4 for 5 for now. Departure Legion 889, 1.3, climb at 3,000, runway heading.
Allegiant 889, Allentown departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 8,000.
I maintain 8,000, Legion 889.
Allegiant 889, proceed direct Lancaster VOR.
Direct Lancaster, Legion 889.
Number 8 Delta Sierra, turn left, direct to East Texas.
Left, direct, East Texas, 98 Delta Sierra.
Number 8 Delta Sierra, actually turn left, direct to Reading Airport.
Left, direct to Reading, 98 Delta Sierra.
Approach 942 Tango Bravo with a request.
Number 942 Tango Bravo, go ahead.
Yeah, anything you can do to shorten our route, direct up to Albany?
Number 2 Tango Bravo, I'm not able to do that right now, but Wilkes-Barre just took the handoff. Contact Wilkes on 120.9 or 5, and they may have something for you.
120.95, thanks. Have a good day.
Allegiant 889, contact New York Center 124.62.
2462, good day, Allegiant 889.
All right, their ATIS is 127.1. And their tower is 119.9. And we want their plate loaded, so we're going to close this guy, and we're going to add Reading Airport diagram.
Number 16 kilo, climb and maintain 8,000.
Out of 5. Keep that loaded here. So let's look at what the weather is doing there. We'll go to our flight plan, enter, and go to weather. So it looks like right now their wind direction is 170, and visibility is 4 miles. So that means that the airport we're likely to use is runway 18. So
Approach
runway 18.
263 Delta Sierra with you at 4,000.
Simon 263 Delta Sierra, Allentown approach, Allentown altimeter 3021.
3021 on the altimeter. On the
Destination ATIS is 127.1.
Simon 8 Delta Sierra, contact Reading approach 125.15. Good day.
125.15. Good day. 98 Delta Sierra.
ILS runway 13 approach in use. Notice to airmen. ILS runway 13 localizer DME not monitored. Runway 13 and identifier lights out of service. Runway 13 PAPI out of service. Use caution for irregular surfaces on the north and west aprons. Both are lighted and barricaded. Advise on initial contact. Give information Lima.
Running approach, Diamond 908 Delta Sierra, 3000 with information Lima.
Diamond 908 Delta Sierra running approach. You looking for the ILS today?
Yes, please. 908 Delta Sierra at ILS.
8 Delta Sierra, Roger. Proceed direct outlet. Vectors ILS runway 13 from approach course. How will the approach terminate?
It'll be a full stop. Just need to load up the ILS for 13 to get that waypoint. 908 Delta Sierra.
No problem. Advise when you are direct outlet.
We'll advise on direct. Thank you. 908 Delta Sierra. Okay, ILS 13. Outlet. Alright. Alright, so procedure, select approach, ILS 13, outlet, minimums is 544, so on, 550, enter, load, yes, now we go to outlet, so direct, enter, enter, and here we go. And Reading 908 Delta Sierra, we're direct outlet.
Roger, thank you.
Okay, so
Air 03 Alpha contact tower, 119.9.
let's brief that approach.
603 Alpha.
So that approach is going to be, the frequency is 110.55, and that's loaded over here, but I don't have it marked. It's not identified yet. So, and Reading 908 Delta Sierra with request.
78 Delta Sierra, say request.
Can we climb to 4,000 908 Delta Sierra?
Okay, I can do that. You gotta go back down at about 8 miles. Maybe
Yeah.
10 miles.
Understood. Just wanted to get above the layer for some pictures. 908 Delta Sierra.
Roger, stand by. Dominate Delta Sierra, climb maintain 4,000.
Climb maintain 4,000 908 Delta Sierra. Thank you. Wow, it is really hot. And I don't think I'm going to hit the tops at 4,000. At least I hope I do. Wow. Yep, that's what it's about. It is unbelievable. Alright, 4,000, 2,000, 22.7. That is just unbelievable. Alright, let's finish loading that. Oh, okay, there's the identifier, IVXO. That's good. So this is ILS runway 13. We'll go to flight plan. This is ILS 13. We're going to go to outlet, and let's the view narrow so that we can see. So outlet at 3,200, correct. And ILS 13, so we're going to be at 3,200 at outlet, and Bragg intersection at or above 2,900, Pagoda at 2,100, and that is ILS 13 at initial VXO. That'll be 6.4 miles from the runway. Wow, it is really hot. All right, the missed approach procedure is to climb back to 900 and a right climbing turn to 3,200 on a heading of 280 to the LRP VOR. The LRP VOR there's the Lancaster VOR right there. Then you hold.
Reporting departure after 603 Alpha, 1,200 direct button.
Air 603 Alpha, ready departure. Radar contact, maintain 5,000.
Maintain 5,000, 603 Alpha.
So the edge of my wings is really dirty, or the edges of the wings are really dirty. Amazing how much bugs are plastered on that thing. Wish they made a like a car wash for planes. But that's a tall order because the variety are diverse. The variety in shapes of airplanes makes that more of a challenge.
Dominate Delta Sierra, turn 10 degrees right, and maintain 3,000.
10 degrees to the right, maintain 3,000, 90 Delta Sierra. Okay, so...
Dominate Delta Sierra, turn left, heading 240.
Left 240, 90 Delta Sierra.
Cherokee 03 Alpha, contact Philadelphia approach 123.8. You have a good day.
123.8, thanks for the help. 603 Alpha.
Dominate Delta Sierra, 5 miles from Makoto, turn left, heading 170. Maintain 3,000, full established on the localizer, cleared out, 13 approach.
170, and cleared for the ILS 1390 Delta Sierra. Alright, landing checklist. Fuel pump on, flaps are as needed, lights are on, undercarriage mixture full rich, and RPMs and all that is looking good. It's now just on the instrument, so we're now at 3,000, and we're heading to Pagoda as the next approach fix. Pagoda is the final approach fix, rather. And we should turn ourselves now. If it doesn't turn, I will. There it is. And we follow that glide slope. manage the power. So 2.7 miles until Pagoda. We want to be there at 2100. All right, 2,800 for 550. And 2 miles.
All right, Delta Sierra, contact tower, 119.9er.
119.9, 90 Delta Sierra, good day. Reading Tower, Diamond 908 Delta Sierra, ILS 13.
Diamond 908 Delta Sierra, Reading Tower, runway 13, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 13, 90 Delta Sierra. All right, Pagoda 1 mile. And 2,300. Okay, climb to 300 and heading of 280, so let's set that heading right now. All right, 2,100 and 0.2 miles.
Approach Phenom 300 Gulf Victor's at 4,000, Drake Martin State.
First notch of flaps.
And we have the ATIS.
Phenom 300 Golf Victor, check your last assigned frequency here on Reading Tower.
19.7, see you later.
$1,900 for 550. $1,800 for 550. 4 miles to the runway. $1,600. 550. $1,500 for 550.
3 mile final runway 13.
Runway is 3 miles. Approach speed is good. Glide slope is good. 2.8 miles to the runway. 1,200 for 550. Still in the clouds.
500.
1,100 for 550. Looks good. Still on the glide slope. There's a tower a little close to our path there on the left. Alright, looks like we're almost at the bottom. 1,000 for 550 and 1.8 miles. $880
500
for 550. I see the runway. Second notch of flaps. Autopilot off. Alright, RPM 12 forward. Plates.
minimums.
Diamond 8 Delta Sierra, say parking.
We're going to Millennium Aviation, I think, for the FBO.
Diamond 8 Delta Sierra, roger, turn right on Delta, going to be a left turn on Bravo, Alpha to Millennium, remain this frequency.
Right on Delta, Bravo, Alpha, I'll stay with you, 90 Delta Sierra. All right, welcome to Reading. Allentown Tower, I think I made a mistake making a right on Bravo. Can I make a U-turn here and go the other way?
That's fair. To make a 180 there, and then down past the tower, right after the Blue Roost in the Millennium.
Got it. U-turn here and Bravo and right to the Millennium. Thank you. 90 Delta Sierra.
8 Delta Sierra, if you continue straight and then Alpha will be a slight right.
Affirmative. Okay, 90 Delta Sierra straight and then right on Alpha.